What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another session of Build, Break, and Fix with what? Excuse me, that was unexpected. uh, that broke my entry completely. Anyway, let's start again. Welcome back, guys, to another session of Build, Break, and Fix. Uh, we are Raw Coders, and we are back with another awesome session in which we're gonna be building maybe breaking, but definitely fixing the code and moving on with the functionality of an existing uh, app. But we're doing the enhanced version of that one, which is called uh, so the existing project, open source project, is called the Scrumble.ca, but we're building the enhanced version of it. So yeah, which is exciting stuff, and we're working with technologies like Fetch API, Express App, and we're using tools like AWS, Postman, and also we're using programming languages which is built on the JavaScript stack, which is Node, uh, vanilla JavaScript as well. And basically for the front end is HTML, CSS, but we will be converting the front end to React at a later stage. And if you want to learn more about how we do things, how we incorporate best practices in the project, do join us, and we'll get to learn from you, and you can get to learn from us as well as we do the things. And one more thing that I don't know if you guys have observed that the class have gone 1 hour forward in Melbourne, Australia, so the timings might be different from where you're accessing the live coding stream, depending on where internationally you are. And yeah, that's a bit about the intro. Welcome back, Kay. How are we doing today?
Hey, pretty good, pretty good. I was like, isn't it 2 a.m.? It's like 3 a.m. already last night because of the daylight saving time change. So
Yeah,
we skipped the whole 2 to 3 a.m. thing, right? Last night. So
2
I
to
was up.
3 a.m.
Yeah. So you
thing.
know how when the daylight
Uh-huh.
saving time occurs,
Yeah, yeah,
the time between 2 to 3 a.m. is skipped.
yeah, yeah,
As soon as after 1:59, it's 3 a.m.
yeah,
You're
yeah.
like, what?
Mm-hmm.
Why it's all 3 already?
You
So
must have been really confused and whoa, where did two go?
yeah, exactly. So that was really funny
Yeah.
last night. But now
Mm-hmm.
that's good
Because
that the
yeah,
sunset happens at like 7. It's actually pretty good. Like because if you finish work at like 5 or 6, then you get to get some time in the sun or outside.
exactly. Mm-hmm.
So that's really good.
Exactly. Yeah,
Yeah.
and now because the days are longer, then we can get even more done.
Hmm.
As in all the personal and other things that we're working at in our daily life as well.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. Very
That's
good.
fantastic, man. So I'll just share Jira and see where we are at.
Yeah.
So I'll just share my screen.
I think everyone's sleeping today. It's Saturday and Sunday night.
Yeah, must have been.
Hmm.
My partner goes that you won't be getting many viewers,
Yeah, yeah.
and I was like, huh? Why? Why would you even say that? And then she goes, daylight savings, and I'm like, oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense now.
That's true. Um, and
So
it's
yeah,
like Sunday as well. We are
exactly.
already
Yeah,
5 minutes in, and there's like zero viewers. So,
yeah, yeah.
but
But the good part is that our viewers can always see the recording if they are really curious, and
Mhm.
whenever they have time and everything, which is a good feature. So I'll just jump into Jira and see what's cooking.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's pretty good. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna
Um,
pause, like mute myself. My roommate's cooking, so
cool.
um, yeah, just keep muting myself.
Yeah, no problem. All right, there we go. So, why do I always do this? Keep on forgetting my. Wow. All right. Wow. This is not happening today. Okay, cool. Yeah, here we go. F- Finally, I've managed to enter the right password.
Very nice.
Okay, cool. So where were we? This one's done. Validate, get board.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know how do we go to the parent task without closing and then
I don't know actually. Oh,
clicking
actually,
that?
click on it. Click on it. Click on SV23 on the left. Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Perfect. Thank you for that.
Mm-hmm.
So that one's done. Delete is done as well, which is oh right. So today I just free call. We're not gonna do any coding.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna merge uh the stuff
Yeah.
from wherever the branches are into dev and hence into master. So I'm not gonna go here. I'll just create merge new branches into dev and then master branch. Okay.
Give it like a name or something like that, like the first merge, because you're gonna create this ticker every week. So
Okay.
week
Yeah,
one or like
that's a
I don't
good
know.
idea. So I'll just give it today's date.
Yeah, sure. I mean, it's gonna have it automatically in the created, but yeah, sure.
Okay. Right, right.
Mm-hmm. No, that's good. You didn't click. Oh, okay. There you go. Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. And then master, merge new branches. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So let's jump on to backend first because that should be a little bit easy.
Mm-hmm. Sure. I think you were coding last, so it should be on yours. Should
Yeah,
be on yours. Yeah.
yeah. So that's not the one. Semi PI. Stable backend. Yes. Okay. So we need to merge this into dev branch now, right? Dev
Yeah.
create pull request. Okay, hang on a minute. Uh, this one I did today, as in
Mm-hmm.
added a bit of project description.
Very
Ah,
nice.
I need to sign in. Wow, incredible.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'll go into stay. No, I'll do the update readme branch first.
Okay.
Oh, no, no, no. Sorry, that was in the front end one. That's no here. What is this branch? What's this for open pull request for dev branch? Okay, no, that's not. Okay, we need to merge from here stable backend
Yeah.
into the dev branch.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so pull
Sure.
request, forget this. Um, where's new pull request? Choose different branches of fork above. By the way, I, I haven't really done this kind of a merge on GitHub, so I'm gonna take a bit of
Yeah, sure.
time.
Take it. Yeah, yeah. First time for everything.
So we're going from this one to the dev branch. Cool.
Yep.
Okay,
Yep.
create pull request. Yeah, create pull request. Can automatically merge. Don't worry, you can still create the pull request. Stable backend, yeah, create merge stable backend launch backend to dev. Okay, cool. Wow. Wow. Oh my god.
What happened? All right.
All these comments have to be merged. This is gonna be an interesting learning curve, to be honest. Alright, this was done in 20. Have they got the dates on when they're done? Add board remaining validation
These are
function.
all the commits we did. It's just technically only one um commit.
Right. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'll just try and merge it.
Sure.
This branch has conflicts, but that must be resolve conflicts.
Yeah. Just resolve it.
Right. Okay. What are we
Just read.
seeing here?
The README. That's
Okay,
causing the
yeah,
fun.
that's fine. I updated it. Mark as stable backend. And right. So basically was because I'm doing this kind of a thing for the first time. This basically shows that
Yeah.
this line until here is the stable backend, and below there is the dev branch, isn't it?
Yeah.
Apparently.
It's like accepting changes in VS Code. You just have to do
Hmm.
that. There.
Right. So I'll do. How can I mark as result next?
Click on next.
Next. Mark result removal complete. No, no, I
Just
don't
click.
want to.
Just press dot on your keyboard. Then.
I did.
Oh, that didn't even thing. Okay. That's all good. Um.
I'm just trying to figure out how to, as in, choose the change that I want.
Yeah.
What's this? Indent mode? No, it's not that one. Previous. Ah, backhand. How do I do this? Resolve complete. Hang on. I'm gonna probably
Take your
Google
time.
that.
Yeah. Take your time. Don't worry.
Resolve conflicts in GitHub. Merge. Enter your repository and pull request. Resolve a merge complex on GitHub. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Okay, if you have more than one merge, scroll down to the next set of conflict markers and repeat the step for four. Decide if you want to keep only your branches changes, keep only the other branches changes, or which may incorporate your changes. Delete the conflict markers, this one, and make your
Mm-hmm.
changes you want in the final merge.
Yep.
Um, so is it basically saying that just accept the change that I want? So I don't
Um,
want this change. I just want this change
I'm not.
and then just
I'm not too sure. Don't fall into
Hang on.
Google that.
Even quicker, I'll just YouTube it. GitHub
Sure.
resolve conflict.
I mean, I'm not sure why you're not merging it on VS Code on like command line properly.
Right, right. And that's actually a good idea. Let's just do that instead.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, that's less clicks, right? So
Hmm. I like how you say that's less clicks.
I'm just trying to talk your language to you.
Uh, and thank you for that. I really appreciate that. Yeah, it's like, dude, act on your word.
Yeah.
All right. In that case, I'm gonna not do anything here. Okay. So we are on status. We are on backend now. And if I do a git pull, already up to date, we should be fine. And now I need to go into switch, actually switch dev, I think. Yeah, dev and then git merge stable backend. Let's see. Actually, I'm gonna git pull all of this first as well. Wow, two in the dev branch. Interesting, okay. And then git merge stable backend. Automatic merge fail result. Ah, what did I do there? And then commit the result. Okay, cool. So we have these changes. Body parser. Are we used? But why is text? Where IoT? No, we don't want to keep this.
Someone else added that.
Do you know whom that might be?
Yes, I do know.
All right. So is this relevant or we should disregard it
Le-
because I don't know why they did it.
just leave it. Don't touch anyone else's code, like because it's not doing anything for us, right? Like
Yeah.
it's not
Hmm.
making the program crash.
Yeah. True.
So maybe they're trying to do something. I mean, like
Cool.
all of the team members are know what they're doing, so I won't um
Hmm.
trust.
Yeah.
I'll trust them on this.
Yeah. Of course. So replaced. Okay, that one can stay there, and we need to replace this one. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. And then get board. Yeah, which is fine as well. Board ID. Yeah, that's all okay. Data. Yeah, cool. That seems to be fair enough. Um. Okay, I've got a doubt about this line, but since that's not really harming us at the moment, I'll just leave it for now.
Mhm.
Create a board, yeah, that's fine. Data, yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Add board, that's that board. Yeah, board ID.
Yep.
Cool. That seems all good to me though.
Mm-hmm.
This
Very nice.
app.js.
Yeah.
So you know how to accept this file here.
Yeah. 1 second.
Automatic merge failed.
Yeah.
What's
Yeah.
this
Why do
icon?
you make the readme on dev though? Should I just update it on master?
Yes,
Is there?
because I I don't wanna commit anything straight to master.
Okay.
You would have to always go through dev.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm
So your
just ah
next.
okay. Right.
Yeah.
So I see. So
Mm.
this basically icon means that
Yeah. This one's the
manual.
conflict.
Yeah, yeah, right.
The
I
other
see.
ones are just updates.
Yeah, I see. That would make a lot of sense now. So accept incoming change, current change, and this is the current change. Now I want the incoming change. Yeah, incoming change, stable backend. Cool. Go away now. Go away. Okay, anyway. Okay, I'm gonna check what's in there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
I
not going
added
away.
that. Huh?
It's not going away.
Yes, I'm just gonna. Are you sure you want to stage with me with merge conflict? No.
Mm-hmm.
Why is it not going away? What is this open file?
Yep.
Um. Ah. Save. I didn't save it, but it's
Mm-hmm.
still coming up.
Very nice.
Here we go. That's gone. Cool.
Yay. That's cool.
Mm-hmm. Cool. So this one, yeah, that's fine. I wanted this. Yeah, that's all right. I'm happy with that.
Yep. Very nice.
And cool. And then settings. Shall we? I don't think we should include this in this merge. This is for the environment variables.
Yeah, sure. Are we already using environment variables? I didn't know that.
No, we're not.
All right.
Because
Yeah.
so
Don't include this. Yeah. I got what you mean. Yeah.
okay, cool.
This all like our experiments and stuff. So
Yes, exactly.
yeah.
So I'll just do that and app.js is there. Cool. I'm gonna submit it. So get status. I'm on which branch? Dev branch now. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Git commit am. Uh, merge stable backend into dev branch. Uh-huh. Cool. There we go. What? Pass stable backend with that's in okay. I added another apostrophe in the inverted
Yeah, that's all
commas.
good. Yeah.
It should work now. Okay, git push. Okay, and now we should go to master.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Let's go to the master, the grandmaster. Uh, git pull. I'll do this. No, I need to do that. Actually, do I need to pull? I don't need to pull now. So I'm gonna do git checkout. Is it master or main?
I think it's master. Just do git
Uh,
branches just to be sure. I mean, yeah, just do git checkout. Oh wait, yeah, I don't want to create another branch.
yeah.
So
Actually,
git,
I'll do switch.
sure.
Switch master. Git pull to merge. Your
Mm-hmm.
branch must have diverged and one and
I don't know what that
have
means.
and have and have 1 and 14 commits each. Wow, respectively, use git pull to merge into remote branch into yours. Okay, so let's do git pull first on master because I
Mm-hmm.
haven't done this before.
Yeah, yeah,
Probably
that's all good.
that's that's why I'm saying it.
Yeah, nah.
Pull.
First time for everything.
Mm. Automatic merge failed. Ho ho ho, lovely.
Very nice.
Okay, so for this one, accept incoming change.
Mm-hmm.
Accept incoming change. Start from the top. Current incoming change. Alright, anyway, whatever we do here, they will get overridden. So,
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
we're still gonna merge dev into it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. 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 Don't worry about that.
There we go, incoming change. Uh, shoes I'm tired. Okay.
Yeah, I played like football in the rain today for like
Oh,
3 hours.
wow. Look at you.
Mm. It's pretty fun. Just did work in the morning and then I was like, gotta go and play. So we played at Albert Park.
Oh, a nice one.
Mm-hmm.
So you would have just gone to Flagstaff.
So we played like full pitch, like 11 versus 11 full.
Ah,
Yeah.
right.
So that was really
That's
nice.
pretty awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, app underscore just BS template deleted. What is this? App
Was that
underscore VS CTK underscore template. Does it
what?
have?
Why? What is our YAML file doing here?
It's not our YAML file, it's something else.
It go up. This is literally the YAML file we created. Look at line number 32. This is not a generic YAML file.
And why is it named app underscore VS CTK underscore template?
I
That
have no
wasn't
idea.
ours.
Is there like an automatic thing which happened or something?
I have no idea about that as well. App, that one. Okay, we'll come back because that is mentioned as deleted.
Mm-hmm.
So
I
I don't
mean,
know what.
it will be deleted if you actually merge these changes.
Yeah, it will be.
Hmm.
So anyway, we can move on. Package
Don't worry about that. Package lock.
don't lock. Yeah, we don't have to submit that, do we?
Mhm. Unless you're
Um,
doing a node install every time in SAM build,
yeah,
which
yeah.
probably are.
Mm-hmm. So do we do that or not?
Don't add it. No. I mean, you can add it in
Independence.
master for sure, but you don't need to add it to SAM. So
Right, right, I see.
I'm not sure if there's a SAM ignore file which can be made.
S3 bucket. Okay, that one has to go in. And Node.js.
Do you know if there's like any ignore files which can be made?
Sam ignore.
Like
Create.
for SAM, like I don't think so. They'll be called SAM ignore.
I'll just Google it. Sam ignore file.
I mean, the
And
file
build
is called
organize.
template.yaml, so probably like um
How, so what's the goal here? To, as in, ignore all the SAM files we don't need, right?
just like dependency files. Like we don't want to build node modules or package
Mm-hmm.
log.json. These
Then we
files.
don't really. Ah. Okay, so that would be done in Git ignore.
No. Get ignore would be for not pushing them to GitHub, but like
Yeah.
not building them every time. That's what I'm saying. Because they're compute heavy as well. That's fine. Let's not worry about that. Let's just focus on GitHub.
Mm-hmm. So this one is there. Yeah, we need that. That's fine. Okay, I'm just gonna submit this because these are all gonna be changed anyway.
Yeah.
Merge branch masters.
Okay, there is a way to do it. I'll send you in private chat, but we can have a look at it
Okay,
later.
cool. Okay, commit. Um,
Mhm.
merge previous version of merge branch. Merge master. I didn't get this. So at the moment we are just, well, we
Mhm. What you know?
so auto merging Scrumble.js. So I'm thinking that at the moment we're just merging
Yeah.
our local master to the remote master, isn't it?
Yeah. No,
Hmm.
just local to local. Oh wait.
No, look, because we are updating our remote to our local branch.
Have you already merged stable back into master on your local?
No, uh, on, on my local which branch?
Stable back into dev. Have you merged that?
Yes, yes,
Was
that's
it
done.
successful? Was it successful?
Should have been.
Um,
Yes,
did you try running it or something?
because as in the program.
Yeah, like just like push it to do a SAM build on that. Did you try doing that?
Ah, I didn't do that. I didn't do
Yeah,
that.
just try doing that and make sure everything works on dev. Like that's how TDD works, right? Now you test everything on dev, then you start worrying about anything relating to master.
Right, right. I haven't done TDD yet,
Mhm.
so I wouldn't know that. Okay, cool.
Yeah, that's all good. Yeah. So
Right.
let's just test if everything's all right on dev.
Mhm.
Um,
Check out
which it probably should
there.
be. I'm pretty sure we
Mhm.
did it right.
Thing.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna abort the merge
Yeah, just do get reset minus minus hard, and you should be good to go.
on the master branch.
Yeah, the merge on the master. Yes.
Head is now changed to function. Okay, cool. Perfect. So if we check out
Mm-hmm.
dev and do a SAM build,
Mm-hmm.
so this should. if it's successful, it should build properly and
Yeah, and it should work as
reply
well on
properly
Postman.
as well.
Ooh, also, I don't know if you saw my message. Dude, Postman just did the biggest thing. Like they literally solved all the API developers' problems. Um, so they released a thing called, wait, I forgot what it's called. I'll tell you what it is. Um,
Mm-hmm.
it's called Postman Flows.
Mm-hmm.
Um, wait, until it deploys, I'll show you what it does. And it's like crazy. It's literally crazy. It's still on beta, but I think they're gonna be out pretty soon with this. Um, right. Wait, is it called Postman Flows? Pretty sure it does. Yeah. Um. So what it
Okay.
basically
What?
does?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead.
Mm-hmm. No, no, continue.
Yeah. Yeah. 1 second. So what it basically does is that you know how we have to test every single API call. Like we have to test if post first we post a board,
Mm-hmm.
then we get that board, then we try deleting it, then we try updating it, and then we try, I don't know, whatever it is we try doing with the board.
Mm-hmm.
Like if we have to test our whole API, we have to at least do like 5 6 posts. So what this does is that you can program, let's say this is our post board request first,
Mm-hmm.
and there'll be like a if statement kind of, it'll not be a if statement but like a thing. If it
Mm-hmm.
returns status 200 and this particular return, then it goes to the next one, like update board and stuff like that.
So they've
Yeah,
created the flows.
yeah,
Mm.
exactly. That's literally the name.
Ah,
It's literally
right,
called
right, right, right.
Postman flows. And if
That's
update
phenomenal, man.
update board works, then they're gonna go to something like, I don't know, delete board or get all notes. So in
Mm-hmm.
just one flow, in just one click, you just click
Boom.
start, and
Hmm.
all of the board functionalities are tested for you.
Wow. L- Let's probably incorporate it in our thing.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
That'd be
So
really
it's
good.
like really, really cool, and it just came out
Hmm.
like 2 days ago. Um,
Right, right.
yeah, they just
Interesting.
released their
Can't
beta
wait.
version. But
Right,
yeah,
right. See,
so it's
that's
actually
pretty
pretty.
epic.
Mhm. Yeah, Postman's been doing good stuff, even with the
Hmm.
test scripts and stuff.
Yeah.
Mhm. All right,
Right.
sharing your screen.
Okay. So the deployment failed,
Very nice.
and I know what might be the problem
All right, okay.
because
It's
I didn't touch our working stack. I created a new one.
all right, okay. Oh,
So
you named it something else.
yes.
That's all good.
So I'm just gonna check.
Just delete
the-
this whole stack and deploy again.
But it won't still work,
Just
would it?
name it back, right? Um,
S-
that's a real
Oh,
scratch
no,
up.
no, 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 no. Hang on, hang on, hang on. There's one more thing that we forgot to merge into dev.
The template YAML.
No, another person's changes.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Because
Hmm.
there was another branch
Hmm.
which we haven't yet merged. So this one.
Right. Um,
What? Oh, so this was already done, was it?
I am
Um,
sure.
to dev. Huh. Interesting. So this is already dev is up to date with all comments. Okay, now I was mistaken. That branch has already been merged into dev, apparently.
Okay, that's good.
Cool. So now what's the problem here? To find out status. We are on which one? Dev. So if I do a sam oh, sam deployment, I did. Uh, so shall I give it that name or our old name?
Give what? Uh,
The API. I'm thinking old or new name.
just give it the. Oh, right, you changed the stack name here. Oopsies. Um, just give it the old name
I'll, I'll
because
do that and see what happens.
the base URL will change again, then changing it on Postman again. Um,
Yeah, true, true.
which is not a big problem. It's just that
Hmm.
yeah, why not work with the one, like only one.
Exactly.
And
I mean, the only reason why I did that was because if this deployment doesn't work, we still have a backup.
which fine. That's why we use CloudFormation, right? It's gonna roll back automatically, even if it doesn't deploy or if it fails. CloudFormation is gonna automatically roll it back.
My brain is gone on holiday.
It's so good. Bring it back, Zen.
I'm like, Zane, believe yourself. You passed the solutions architect exam. Come on, you got
Yeah,
this.
yeah, exactly. And
Right.
don't worry about it too much. Just do it.
Yeah.
You're being like those old people who see the iPhone for the first time and they're like,
True.
if I click this, internet is
Exactly.
going to be gone.
Oh, shall I or not? Shall I or not? Shall I or not? In that way.
Yeah.
Anyway, the deployment has been failed, so I'm gonna check what's happening. Roll update, roll back. Um, change it to update. Wait, does it give me outputs? No. Events. Okay. Update, roll back, delete. Resource creation failed. The following failed to create the following. So it's giving us the errors on the VPC thing. The maximum number of
Oh, right. Okay.
events has been reached. 400, right. Okay, we need to figure this one out first before moving on. Um,
You,
oh, hang on a
you know
minute.
what we should have done was that, like, okay, I think we merged two branches together, and then we're testing them together. Um, but we should
Two,
have merged VPC and then tested it, and then merged table backend.
right, okay. Let me
Mhm.
just check one thing. So, ah, you know what might have happened? That the other team member must have done some configurations manually through through console, which is why it hasn't been done in this one. So it's not doing it. Uh,
Oh, right. And they
are you
didn't create like a VPC file or something?
there? So some settings is kind of a shortcut that you just go through the front end and do million clicks to get it working. But same setting should be applied in the YAML file, which I'm thinking, and I could be wrong here. Um, wasn't applied, but I'm just gonna check something. Hang on. If this is our hello world function, does this have a
Yeah, I
VPC
feel like,
connection?
I mean, like, don't quote me on this, but I feel like this is a pretty bad approach considering we are going to move towards code build and code deploy. Um, just
Which
having
is a
local,
bad approach.
like having local configurations, right?
Yeah, yeah, of
Or I
course.
mean, like this would have been fine if would have Dockerized the whole thing.
Boom.
Um,
That's the
yeah,
problem.
or yeah, because you don't have the
It's
configuration.
yeah, this function isn't
Uh,
connected to a VPC, but if you go to their stack, it's all configured here.
yeah, I feel like the bigger problem, I
Yeah.
don't know if with this specific person, is that we should Dockerize the app first, then only do something, because this happens every
Um.
time.
Yeah. Yeah. True. Or we um, I'm just thinking of what would be the best way to go forward now, because
What's the problem? What's the problem now?
so from what it seems that they did the they configured the VPC I mean the Lambda's connection to the V no they configured the VPC connection to Lambda manually as in the console,
Okay.
okay, but
Hmm.
just created the resources in YAML, okay.
Okay.
Are you
Right.
with me so far?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So because they did this VPC, they put the Lambda in the VPC manually by AWS console, which is why we haven't done that. So if this is our stack,
Mm.
this means
Yep.
that our Lambda isn't present in the VPC, which is why is giving all us errors that it can't create the resource block. No, that hang on.
That's right.
Events. So
Oh,
see here, the following failed to create. No, that is something else.
okay. Interesting. Okay.
Resource creation.
Um. Right. Could you go to CloudWatch and see what's happening exactly?
I could, but I
Could you?
don't really think we're gonna find anything. But let's have a
All right.
go and see what we can find because every hint helps.
Hmm.
It
Let's
won't
send.
be it won't be here because that's specifically to Lambda, but what we are experiencing the resource creation is being failed.
Okay. That's good. That's good that we are facing a
Hmm.
problem.
Error
Uh,
code limited increase. Um. So it says the resource creation has been failed, which failed to update. Um. Resource creation net gateway. Hello, lambda function role. Hello world function role. Um, hello function. Whoa, that can't be this much.
hmm.
Create progress. Um, how do we? Okay, update resource failed. Status freezing. The following failed to create
Um.
internet gateway.
So we don't have
Uh,
a VPC on our end on this account. Is that what you're saying?
to be honest, I don't even think it's related to the VPC. Is just failing to create the resources in the first place.
They're not
So
in any order, right? The VPC could have failed, which it did.
yeah,
And the stack is dependent on everything passing. So if you go up, let's go up a little. No, go down. Just the Scrambler API is in.
mm-hmm.
Um, that stack failed because something along the line VPC only because the VPC failed. Hmm.
Okay. See how we have all the resources in SAM template.
Sorry, come again.
See how we have all the resources over here.
Yeah.
Everything is here. It's failing to create it here. Ah, hang
Hmm.
on. I might do one thing. I don't even want to delete their stack. No, I don't want to do that.
I mean, I can just pull dev and try building on my account,
Yeah,
but that
might as well do that because what I'm thinking that they already have, as in VPC connected to theirs. But if
no, like VPC can be connected to stacks, right?
I know,
That's. Can you show me their security group for 1 second? What's the outbound rule?
right. I can show you, but I don't think that is the problem. Hang on a minute. Network gateway VPC. There we go. Security groups,
There you go, below security. Yeah.
and there was ECC. The CDIR security groups.
Yeah, go down. Inbound rule. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Oh, so it's all okay. Outbound group.
Yeah. Um, I don't think it's to do with the security group or
Mm-hmm.
anything. The fact that the resource itself are not being created. I
Mm-hmm.
think there's some permission problem or something like that.
Very interesting.
Um, okay, I'm gonna just delete that, rebuild it.
Sure. Oh, literally everyone's sleeping. Yeah. Did you have dinner yet?
Yeah, I
What did
had
you
it.
have?
I had fish and rice
Mm.
and nene chicken.
Oh, nice.
How about yourself?
Yeah, I had. We made burgers at home today.
Oh, ho, ho,
Um,
interesting.
that was pretty nice.
Yeah, I bet it was.
Hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna do Sam build and Sam deploy guided. Yeah, yeah. Okay, let's see what it gives us now. Please don't give me anything red. Okay, yeah. Resource creation failed. Failed. ScrambleDB failed. Why is it doing this? The maximum number of VPCs. The maximum number of VPCs has been reached. Okay, are you there?
Yeah, yeah. Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
okay. I thought you just put yourself mute and just went.
Right. Okay.
VPC limited
Try
increase.
googling that. Let me just Google
I'm
that.
just gonna do that now.
The
This is interesting. VPC also has a limit. Deployment failed with maximum number of VPC.
I mean,
I'm trying to set that. Key
oh,
check
right. Okay.
VPC
So then
limits. Uh-huh.
the way VPC works is that every VPC can have 255 endpoints. Um, so you can just use the VPC they created and try connecting it to ours.
So that means that I don't need to use their resources then.
No, you don't. But the way that template file is working is that it's trying to create a new VPC every
Hmm.
time.
Mm-hmm.
But the right way to do this would have been to be configuring the VPC first manually, not while deploying it.
Uh-huh.
You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Like
Ah.
right now, how our VPC is being created by doing SAM build and SAM deploy.
Yeah. Yeah.
But the way
True.
it should have been is that just go to AWS manually, create the VPC, take the
Ah.
subnet endpoint, and then connect it.
So in that case, we don't need.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but I think you need the CIDR block though.
Mhm.
Let's see how we can take the subnet and connect it to the endpoint. Um,
Okay, how about if we go back to that one? So, okay, what I'm gonna do is
just,
I'm
just
gonna
see
get.
the Stack Overflow thing I just sent you. Um, I think the comment answers there you go, on the left. Yep. Yeah, go down on the answer. Go down. Go down. Yep. Keep going now.
I'm not as fast as UK.
That's all. Yeah.
You don't want to create a new BBC style, so get rid of the AC to call. Instead, just define your VPC variable from a describe. VPC is called. Don't know what that is of. Probably something like Then select whatever you want to use, which is hard code the VPC ID in your script. There's a soft limit 5 VPCs per region, but you don't really need to create a new VPC for everything you do. Alright. So basically what we can do is put our Lambda into the VPC. As in connect it to the
Yeah. I
VPC.
mean, what is VPC? It's just like a virtual private
Hmm.
cloud, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's not
Exactly.
customized for every script you write.
Yeah, true.
It's
So
like
in that
it's like
case, huh?
you know what we're trying to do? You know how VPNs work?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
It's like buying a VPN software for each of your device, like your phone and your
Yeah,
laptop,
yeah, yeah,
every time.
true. And that just simply doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna probably just comment the whole VPC thing
Sure.
in the this,
hmm
and then we're gonna deploy it. But when
Not
we're
the Scrambler. No, you yeah.
Just gonna comment here as well,
Yeah, sure.
so that when we come back to it, we know why this was done.
Surely.
No need to clear VPC. Just point existing VPC manually.
I'm just getting water 1 second.
Cool. Existing VPC with two and one console. Right.
Hello.
Yo. Okay, I've also commented out this VPC config here that was attached
Mhm.
to the function because I don't I don't know if we need it, but because it's related to VPC, it does. Oh, we shouldn't try and use it because all the other
Yeah,
stuff for VPC is
sure.
commented, which is
Yeah.
why I've commented it. Cool. And build. Screen
We
DM.
can probably see if this works or not, or we can call it a night. Not a lot of people have their.
Whoa! It's half 10 already.
Yeah, and tomorrow's Monday,
Damn.
so.
Damn. Yeah. Just see if this works, which hopefully it would. I've got a
Mhm.
good feeling about it.
Yeah, surely.
But if it doesn't, we can always come back to it tomorrow.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, seems it did. Yeah.
Very nice.
So we need to refresh this. What? It didn't? No, no, no. That's the
That's not the
old
one.
one. That's the old
Just
one.
reload the whole page.
Hmm. Wait, what? This is the one?
I think you didn't do SAM build. Can you just go back and check what happened?
I'm pretty sure I did do some build. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you did.
Actually,
Please save it.
let's do it again.
Just no, just don't do screen. Just do normally. It's fine. Build it first.
Eloy, come on.
No, build it again. Yep.
I am.
Yeah.
As fast as you, mate.
Um, are you sure? You sure you're on the dev runs, right? Oh yeah, you're. Yeah,
Yes,
I
I
can see that.
am.
Yep. Yep. Just hide your terminal, please. What? It says it can't be completed. Go up. Show me your terminal. Oh, not new one. Oh yeah, there you
I know. I'm not as fast as you,
go.
man.
Back.
and it will create the change. Rollback complete states cannot be updated. Fail to create an error code when calling the
Well,
confirm change. Hang on a minute. I think that's already there. No? What?
delete this Zen Scrumber API thing.
Huh?
Delete this.
Okay, that's done. And
Sam
now
deploy.
I'll try to do it. Send
Yeah,
build
it's already
first.
built.
Just in case.
Yeah, sure.
Developer OCD.
Hmm. No,
Yeah.
no, no. Just do Sam deploy because you wanna see if there's any error. Screen wouldn't show us any error.
Mm, I see.
Let's see the moment of truth.
Almost there. Deploy.
Yeah, I think it's building now. Create in progress. Go to CloudFormation already. It's fine. You can probably see it now. Yeah, there you go. Create in progress.
There we go. Cool.
Click on it.
Huh?
Click on it. Click on the stack. Yeah. Yep. Stack info.
Anything else you want me to do, okay?
Yeah, go to stack info.
How do I go there?
On the tab. Yeah. Oh, sorry, my bad. Events.
It will
Hmm.
take time to build.
Hmm.
But that's a good thing that is building up now.
Hmm.
Ah,
New URL,
so
I guess.
which days are you working?
This week I worked Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
And on the weekend as well?
Yeah, yeah.
You said you
I
were
mean,
gonna work.
yeah. I mean, I just sat down and I tried understanding the code base.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So this is deployed. Now
Hmm.
go to Lambda
Yeah.
and configuration VPC edit. Which one was his? Yeah, that one. Choose subnet. I don't know which subnet they chose.
Try the first one. Um,
It would make a difference if I do that. Hang on, I'll just
yeah,
go
just
on there. Too many things opened. Don't like it. Okay, this is the one. Probably. Yeah.
Mhm.
Subnet is F22.
Yeah,
F22. Why is it not line? Okay, F22. We recommend
yeah.
that you choose at
B.
least two B. Security group was 79F.
I think there's only.
79F.
Oh, right, yeah, yeah. The Lambda secure.
Um, this is attached to. Yeah, that's fine. Should be alright.
It's already attached. Yeah.
Yeah. Ah,
See, this is
no.
the problem with AWS UI. Click on it, but it doesn't feel like it's attached. Do you get what I mean?
Right, I see what you mean. Yeah, that would make sense.
Yep, that's fine. I
Okay,
think
that
that's
one
done.
is there. Zero
It
zero.
automatically attaches the rules. Click on
Cool.
outbound rules and just
Yeah,
confirm.
it's there. Cool.
Yeah, cool. Save.
Save. The provider execution does not have permission to call in network interface. Okay, cool. So I saw a video of this and he did show me. How was this? We need to add the VPC Lambda VPC action role. Actually, let's do this tomorrow because it will take us as in beyond 11 if we
Yeah, yeah,
continue to do this. All right,
totally.
so I'll just update Jira.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure front-end changes. No, that's not what it was. Um, merged back, merged new branches dev and then master. Merging merged. Uh, can we write a tried merged? Um, build a branch and
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
build a branch and deployed it. Need to attach. Need to configure Lambda in the
Mm-hmm.
VPC. So, okay, I'm just giving this so we know where to come and
Yeah,
pick it up.
surely. Yeah, that makes sense. Ouch. Okay. My legs literally hurt so bad.
I don't blame you, man. It must have been a really tiring session for you, isn't it?
Yeah, no, but it's always fun to just get out and kick the ball
Mm-hmm.
around. Um,
Exactly.
yeah, no,
Cool,
it's been
man.
fun.
Yeah, that was a good session, guys. Managed to merge um one of the
Yeah.
new branches, which was stable backend, into dev, and then deployed dev. That seemed to be working fine, but now we just have to manually configure to pull Lambda into VPC and then
Mm,
test it out as well, make sure that part is working as well.
yeah.
But apart from that, yeah, it's a good session. Have you got anything to add? Okay.
Yeah. No, well, good. I think that's been pretty interesting that we're working with VPCs now, and hopefully we'll have a private cloud for this.
Yeah,
And
yeah, that's the
now
aim.
for sure, exciting stuff coming up. I mean, these
True.
are pretty little things which you do in like really, really sophisticated environments. I'm glad to see that we are
Yeah.
trying to get
Mhm.
our hands on these rather than just creating a website and just hosting on it. Um,
Yeah, yeah,
it's a
it's
fun time.
exactly. It's good to have a deep, as in hands-on experience, because if we don't have the attention to detail, as in the configuration, it won't work.
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, for sure.
So, alright, guys, thanks a lot for joining in wherever you are.
Yeah. Thank
Great
you.
having you all.
Mhm.
And we'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place, and
I think the same task, sadly.
same same task. Perfect, guys. Have a good night. Cheers. Bye.
Oh, good night, everyone. Cheers.